everybody, Chad Woolsey with the Woolsey team, Remax Hallmark Che. Now, state of the market, what is going on? Everybody wants to know right now. Well, all you have to do is take a little bit look back to 2016, 2017 to see exactly what is coming on here. So the numbers back in 2016, 2017 were pretty big month over month increases of upwards of 20%. We're not there yet, but we're showing about just over 9% in January. So what is that telling us? Multiple offers are coming back. Inventory is at not an all-time low, but an extremely low right now. And there's a lot of buyers out there. So what do you need to do? You need to build your dream team. You need to have a realtor. You need to be pre-approved. You need a strategy to get in for multiple offers. We had a property on the market for 2 months. It sold, multiple offers and over asking. So what does that tell you? This market is heating up. Build your dream team. Call, email, text any of us on our team, and we're more than willing to help. Till next time, take care.